No, you shot me in the ass! What is that? Don't surrender! Can you see a barrel? Where's the barrel? Does anybody see kegs? Ah. No. Okay. They have snipers on their side. What's going on? Alright?
I can't get to shoot.
You cannot get to what?
I can't get to shoot at all.
Have you... maybe you don't have BBs?
I tried that. I did that quite a lot.
Well... you see any BBs?
Yep.
There is no BBs in here, just will it, kid. So it should be white, see?
Oh, okay, thank you.
So when it's like that, that's fine. And now, if we do, here we go.
Remember to wind the mag.
Yeah, wind the mag, yeah? That's it. What's going on? Are they?
When we go to the next tree line, can you see them?
Well, in a green fence.
Okay.
There's a guy just in
people going that side.
And that's it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we have to move out.
We're going right, yes? Straight through.
Yeah, but hide behind the fucking trees.
We're going straight through here. Come on.
Come on, guys, move.
Get through, go.
Hit! Guys, we are salting, we have unlimited life for now. Go. Fuck me. Hit! Guys, we are salting, we have to move! We have unlimited lives for now. Go, guys. Go. Hit. If you cannot reach them, fucking hide behind the trees, move forward. Let's go! 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 Hit! No, if I'm gonna be one-man team Rambo, then... Да, блядь, мы же асфальтим. Ну, а стоят и все, блядь. Я один просто пробежал, меня расстреляют. Come on, guys! Move out! Move! Пошли. Осторожно. Потерял. Move out, guys! We are assaulting, come on!
Exit. In the middle there.
Go, 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 go! Do you see cakes? Guys, move out now! What?
Ready.
Let's go. Just hide behind the trees. Shit. Guys, move out! Come on, guys, move out! Push, push, push! Come on! Push, push, push! Hit! Ну что?
Просто открытая территория, только вышел.
Я знаю, ну поэтому надо двигаться, блядь, и прятаться. Йо-йо-йо!
Можно их обойти
Команд...
с правой стороны?
Ой, справа можно? Ну, если хочешь. Команд!
Потому что я шел без деревьев, тут просто
Ну пошли там.
территория.
Come on!
Вышел сразу.
Baby steps, go! You're not gonna get anyone from this place. Just go behind the tree and just step by step. You have unlimited lives. Oh, Combat Airsoft, shoot him in the ass! Move, 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 guys!
I'm doing 40 rounds, so to start with, I think they only hold about
Hit.
20 rounds while they're bedding in.
Now you're talking. Блин. Ну да, идем налево, короче. Эти кексы, они, скорее всего, там в зеленой хуйне, но их надо выбить. Просто эти сидят тут, блядь, и понимают, что они не могут достать туда. Надо тут пробежать и идти дальше. Вот, смотри, хотя бы вот, смотри. Молодцы, блядь. Дошло. This is annoying me. Snake would kill anyone. Вот поэтому мне снайперка нужна, но, блядь, она слишком была охуенная. Так, прячься быстрее, убегай это. На свободном месте. Не будь на открытом. Что? Да. Окей. От всех. Fucking hell. Hit! Fuck. Shit. Hit!
Блядь, только не вариант. Они все сидят за пушкой,
Да,
а все наши сидят за деревьями.
я знаю. Ну, дебилы просто, понимаешь? Они прячутся за хуйней. Если, понимаешь, тут села в команде, то есть если по 4-5 человек, а не по одному, блядь. А так они сидят, тактика, блядь, defending, а не assaulting. И эти, блядь, 5-10 человек там, блядь, на базе решили, ой, у меня не хватает, блядь, бибишек, блядь, дебил. Осторожно. Да-да-да, вон, зеленый. Да.
Пусть. О, надо закрывать. Вон они сидят.
Да.
Видишь, все сидят.
Где?
Yeah, seen him. I
Ah, there is a fucking sniper live. Hit! Oh, fuck. Ну что, как ты хочешь? Опять там?
Ну да, опять справа.
Ну давай.
Справа обстреливать постоянно и наступать. То есть постоянный constant spray
Да.
и push. Spray и push. Потому что вот этот чувак, который со снайпером сидел там, да, он говорит,
Да.
что там один чувак, да, где?
Да.
Ну и все.
Let's go. We're going on the right.
Let's spray and push. Spray and push.
Не, сюда, еще правее. Еще. Витя, ты очень открыт, они с этой хуйни стреляют. Нам сюда. А эти что делают, блядь? Все, они закончили?
Вон, видишь?
Да, я знаю, что там сидят.
Все сидят. И все. И вот у нас единственный вариант, это подойти с этого.
Подожди.
Guys, you need to run where that marshal's going.
Yeah, I know.
Fire from the right hand side, but you need to get there. There's nobody there.
Guys, move out now! Go, 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 go! Guys, come on, move! Fuck, you know. Guys, move now! I need help, come on, guys! Go, 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 go! In here!
Push it!
Where's the one? Come on, guys! Come on, guys! Push! Move out! Yeah! Move! Hit! You drop on it. Да. Come on, guys! Push! Guys, push! Давай. What is the barrel? Anybody seen the barrel? Is it over there? Keg. Oh, I see the keg. Okay. Hit. Something between you so you don't get hit. What? Then lie down if you get... We're not in Poland anymore, shut up! You gave me fucking Vietnam PTSD. Vietnam flashback! Oi! Charlie! 12 o'clock! Oh, that... Wind up the magazine, I think you're not shooting. Wind up the magazine, Mariusz. Yeah, fucking hell. Can you not see? There's no BBs coming out. Fucking hell. Our respawn is just over there in their hole, yeah? Okay. Where's our sniper? Our sniper... Look at them.
Now we need our barret, but it's fucking jump again.
Why is jump? It shouldn't be jump because of beef.
Don't like bio BBs.
Why?
Normal BB. It's fine.
I can give you... Okay, I will give you mine and we'll see if it's jump, okay?
Yeah. But I don't have rods to fill barrels.
Ah, is it stuck?
Yeah, stuck one.
Fucking. Well, we can go and ask the maintenance. They should have. Wait, left or right? Oh, we lost. Okay. A lot of them going on the left, so look at your left side, guys. Так, у тебя подкрути, Витя, подкрути, у тебя ничего не выплевывает. Ты стреляешь или что? What?
You reckon?
I reckon this is a good spot. That's what I reckon.
Grenade?
No grenade, not yet. No. It's no point because you better shoot them. It's only if like in there where that's where you're gonna get a grenade. No, don't waste your grenade.
Okay, just one today with me. I used smoke before,
Uh-huh.
so we keep couple of them.
Okay.
I got one flashbang.
Okay, you know what? I wanna go kill somebody. So I'm gonna go closer. Just a second. Darker! America! Fuck yeah! Oh, there is over there, okay. Oh, I got him! Oh, fuck off. There is somebody lying down. Hit! An amateur. Ну это прикол, конечно. Идем сюда. Это реально, блин. Вот из-за таких, как вот они, блядь, мы и просрали. Потому что они, блядь, смотри сколько. Нам нужно этот объект охранять, а не там где-то, блядь. Okay, Andy, hold still. No, wait. I'm gonna use it as a live shield. Oh, probably I cannot fucking reach that. No way. Oi, there's no time for playing! No wonder we suck in the fucking last time. Where's everyone? You better hide behind the bigger tree. Somebody steal some babies. I cannot reach him. Do we have a sniper? Where's the sniper? Sniper! Sniper, come here!
I'm not going to say behind the tree because there's fucking loads of them.
Where's the sniper? Ah, here we go. We got a sniper.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, there's over there a bunch of guys, yeah? Ну что? О, осторожно, отойди.
Straight, middle.
12 o'clock. Reload. On the left, on the left! Guy going, come, kill him! Behind the green wall! Fucking shit. Hit! The fucking idiots! Fucking hell. Блядь, дебил. Is he gone? There's one behind the green fucking fence. There's a 12 o'clock somewhere. Yeah, go back where you belong. Yeah, I got you, bitch. Don't lie there.
Where's your detective?
12 o'clock too, what?
Where's your detective badge?
Behind the green fence! Come on, take a hit, buddy! Oi, take a hit! Fucking hell. Are they not, Marshall, can you look? That they're not taking a hit. Hit! Ah, fucking idiot. I think so. Marshall, can you check? Some of them not taking their hits. Come on, careful, careful, there's a bull. Marshall! Where's Marshall? Fucking hell, why he's over there? Ah, fuck me. Stupid fucking shit. Have they took the keg? I don't know, maybe in the green. Это не наш, стреляй, Витя, с зеленым не наш. What, now you can use the grenade. Marshall, can you check them if they're taking a hit? Because some of them are, I don't think so. Okay, excellent. No, just watch them, please. Hit! Ну вот смотри сколько, блядь. Половина команды здесь, блядь, дрочит, блядь. Окей, let's go. Так. Окей, я вижу, что этот кек еще наш. Okay, are they in the green fence, yeah? Move step by step. Hit! Wind up the magazine. Ah, they have a keg. They don't have respawn or we don't have a respawn. They don't have.
I know. You need 15 minutes to get in that 10 o'clock out.
So they don't have respawn or we don't have
You
respawn.
still have respawn.
They don't have
I
respawn.
don't.
Guys, they're immortal. They only have 1 life. Let's go. Fucking hell. Go, 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 go. They don't have respawn. Fucking. Guys, move out. We have unlimited life. They only have 1. Go, 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 go. That's 2. Hit! Guys, move out! Go, 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 go! What the fuck are you all standing for? Fucking hell. Yo, what's up? What's going on? Are you out of bullets or what?
No, I've got a jam gun by now.
Yeah. Is it battery maybe it died?
Maybe, maybe not. You get 1.
Yeah, your battery died.
Right, thank you. I'll take it back up there. I'll be back in a sec. I've got one in the bag. Thank you, that's right. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Okay. Guys, come on! Move, move, move!
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're going! Come on with the way! Guys, move out now! Go, 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 go! Hit! Fucking hell. Fucking idiot. Uh-huh. Not unlimited, no, not 15. How many minutes we have left? What?
They are blue.
Yeah, blue. So, yeah, because fucking Okay, let's go.
They ran out of bullets or what?
No, they probably they died, so they just hang up over there. Well, I know we lost. Oh, there's the blue! Shoot him in the ass! Is it finished? No? Still going? Red! Come on, assault! Go, 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 go! Or is it finished? Is it finished? Oh, finger. Is it finished? Bang! I don't think so. So,
Live way through here.
okay. Oi! If somebody run, there's a two in that set. I don't know if that one. Oi, go around and come here. Ла-ла-ла, тополя. Нет, впереди не наши. А вот это я не знаю, что он там. Все, потом. No, that's good, but keep your head down.
Yeah, I'll get in there.
Yeah, go and get. It's only one. Do you have it? No? Okay. I don't know whose four have it. They're probably gonna fucking die in there. And you're fucking gonna be the last two. Huh? You're blinded by the sun. I don't want your excuses, fucking. Kill the sun! Kill the sun! Oh, that's right. Так. Oh my god, it was me. I killed somebody in the ass. No, just kidding.
I'm not sure if they can come from
Okay, they're coming just now.
Yeah.
They come. Can you reach? I don't think that you can come. Aha! I got you.
one. I got one.
Okay, go. You need more fucking.
What?
I don't know. No, maybe, but no, I don't think so because it's a yellow finish, so no. But no. I think they're gonna come from there, but. Они уже здесь?
Yes.
Может, в автобус зайти?
Too many people in the bus.
How many fucking?
One, I guess there, but it's gonna be.
People in the bus, please prepare your tickets. If you don't have a ticket, you're gonna get shot in the ass. Come on, show me your ticket. Oh, we have only one life. Don't be a hero. Defend. And don't friendly fire, please. Check the fucking... Yeah. Hide. Check the red thing. Who's... Are they coming in there? Fucking shit. Mama told me to... Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pass you.
Well.
Oh shit. Okay. Can you reach anybody from there? Yo, Milos. Can you reach anyone from here? Do you have any?
Yes.
Excellent. Do you?
No.
No. You have? No?
No.
Okay. Don't stand in the front, okay? Just. But I don't know. They probably come in front and then from the left.
They might as well keep rushing because they can keep coming back.
Yeah, I know.
And when we all suddenly, we're
It's only you that I ask. I don't know who's another
sure.
4 is fucking. I don't know. They're probably dying there.
yeah,
Just
as soon
fucking.
as they get one of us out, they're one step closer. So you might as well just keep coming.
Yeah.
They don't need to take it easy if they can deposit people spawning.
Yeah, I know. What's going on?
Nothing really. I can see the tape, so I can see if anyone pushes hard.
That's what she said, and she's like, no, I cannot see anyone. We have a sniper. Hold your position. Don't kill him. Are they coming from there, from the right? Can you see anyone?
Yeah, I just got one.
Shit, fucking sun is come on, Cloud, thank you. I cannot see him. He's coming from there. There's one guy blue, so there's probably more coming. Be careful, yeah?
Straight ahead, metal fence panels,
There's
tower.
yeah. There's somebody on the right, just so be careful. I'm gonna. Come. Maybe ricochet. I don't know. But better also hide, yeah, just in case. Milos, don't stand in a door frame. They can hit you, okay? Low right side.
Right side!
My right. It's the right side.
Yeah, it must be around there.
It's the right side, so не выбегай так осторожно. No, there's nobody over there. It's in the bus. Is somebody there in the bus? Окей, хорошо. Осторожно, видишь вот ту вот проемину? Оттуда, блядь, синий выбежал, так что. Не, опасно. Shoot him in the ass. Да. Тоже. Is he covering your thing? Окей. Витя, осторожно, не стой туда, давай назад. Yeah, because it was such a smart decision. No, what? Согрелся? Вот и вот. Осторожно, very careful, okay? No. No. But when we're gonna attack, then is it gonna... No, go that way. Where's the... On a blue respawn.
Whoa! Get over it! Right, cover left, cover right, that way. Oh, be careful with that. Please!
It. Let's go. Так. Are they again talking? Okay, no. Yes! Там дверь надо открывать. Подожди, Вить, подожди. Careful with there, they can have a range DMR over there. Ну чё? А, сука, понеслась? Открывай дверь и отходи. Никого нету? Так, ну чё?
Oh! Yeah!
Мгм. Осторожно. There's one with a green fence. Fuck me. Then I don't know if somebody killed. I don't know if there's somebody in front, but with the green fence there was a face, and I don't know if somebody over there. Okay.
Okay.
No.
No,
You stay here, and I'm yeah. Okay, clear for now. Shoot him! Shoot him in the balls! Shoot him in the ass! You shouldn't die. Ah, it's blue. Okay. She's going there. Are you going there? Ah, head! I'm dying, man. Can we go through here? Honestly, traitor.
Oh, easy that, boy, easy.
Shoot him in the balls. In ass. That was the guy from the bus. Yeah. Go with the woods with the thing, with the ticket. Okay. Huh? Well, now you know. It's gonna be a bright, 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 bright sunshine day.
That's where he's going to
Head
head up over the track, up to the front of the village, 4 straight. Everybody head up to the front of the village before we leave. Up the track, head up the track, it's quicker. Yeah, look, you're telling me guys, sometimes they get
Ah, thank you. Let's give us a look. Let's go. Fucking hell. My battery is dying. I don't think that I have enough fucking juice. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all the clouds are... Подожди 3 секунды. Потерпи, слушай, брат, потерпи. Я автомат сейчас включу. Ну что?
Right, cover me, I'm gonna go there.
Окей, 3, 2, 1, иди! There is somebody over here. Ну, давай тогда продолжать. Раз он из леса, значит, они все уже там. Вот смотри, у него носилки. What the fuck is that? Milosh, somebody there? Ah, it's fucking on. Boom. Ah, okay.